Hey guys, welcome back to my workshop. I got Brandon here drinking his Monster Juice. And well, I guess just to give you a quick update on the dump trailer, little mini dump trailer. I got my wheels in. They're down there on the ground. And I'm gonna probably, I don't know, I might work on it tonight, might work on it tomorrow. Excuse the messy shop too, by the way. It's a wreck. I was doing some lawnmower work for someone. I didn't video it because it was paid work, and I fixed her stuff up good and never cleaned up from it, so it's a huge mess. Getting to the point of this video, I was out using the lawnmower, the old John Deere R92, and I was mowing weeds out in front of the business here. The weeds were getting mowed pretty good, and next thing I know, I hear this kaboom! I looked and the spark plug had shot out of the cylinder head. So if you remember when I introduced this video for like the, I think at this point 30 people that watched that video, when I got this, I noticed that the threads were stripped out of the cylinder head where the spark plug goes. I went and got a helix coil kit from O'Reilly's. So I came home, I actually ended up just running the tap through it, and that worked out just fine for a very short time, and I think it just heated up enough that it blew out my spark plug. So I'm actually going to drill and tap this tonight in hopes that it doesn't ever do that again, because I think I'm SOL at that point, and I'm probably gonna have to buy a new cylinder head if it happens again. So hopefully it doesn't happen again. Otherwise I might have just like straight up overheating issues with this thing. But so we're just gonna keep chugging along on this John Deere lawnmower. Alright, so I've still got to go put slime in the front two tires, and in that back one, this is the only one with slime, and it's the only one that holds. The other thing is, I added this UNI air filter onto the top. Only issue is this thing sits outside. and I don't want rain running down and getting in there, because obviously that's not a good thing. I just can't use the factory one any longer. Still got to get a gas cap and a seat for it. We got the spark plug all back together, obviously, because you watched that all happen. But I was just saying that I found a head. They actually still sell the heads. They're $95. Now that's a whole lot cheaper than finding like another 11 horsepower motor that who knows if it'll even fit on here or not. But I think that my threads there for the spark plug port is every bit as good as any factory threads. And so if it heats up too much and blows that spark plug out of there again, I don't know what I'm going to do. I might just call the quits, at least with this engine. Maybe try and find somebody that's like a, you know, collector or something, and sell it as a collector's item, and then take that money and go buy a real riding lawnmower. I've got a lot of weeds around this place that I need to mow. Yep, so we'll give you updates on this thing. If all goes well, I have every intention of pretty much disassembling this entire thing and cleaning up everything and repainting it and keep on using it. But if the spark plug blows out again, I'm just going to call the quits with it, and I'm not going to do that, so I can hopefully sell it to a collector of some sort if I'm able to. You know, I might hang on to it for a really, really long time. But anyway, we're going to put slime in the wheels and probably go give it a little test drive after that.
Not a lot of air, but
One of them gotta be super full there. I'll take that.
slime rot. This would probably only need about 1.5 pumps to get it good and slimed. They're so small. One more pump.
One more for good.
Might just be full of slime by that time.
That starter sounds awful.